now, your KMVT weather with Ryan Rose.
All right, Ryan, well, we've been talking about it all day. It's going to be a hot one.
Yes, it will be. In fact, 40-degree temperature swing between right now and this afternoon.
Wow, that is amazing. So if you've got to get outside and do anything, do it now.
Yes, do it now. Do it during the morning. I'd do it before noon, before things really begin to heat up. But let's go ahead and take a look at those temperatures. We are in the 50s right now. Again, we're going to be about 40 degrees hotter or warmer this afternoon than we are right now. So again, get outside this morning while you have the chance before things really begin to heat up. Winds are going to be light. They're light right now, 5 to 10 miles per hour. And our pinpoint Doppler, really not a lot going on. Things are quiet. Area of high pressure in control, shooting all of our storms well to our north. And that is keeping us high and dry. So today would be a perfect day to get out and hit the pool. Temperatures climbing nicely into the 70s, 10 o'clock, 80s. By noon, and here we go, really heating things up. In fact, we're actually headed to the mid-90s later on this afternoon, so a good day to get outside and maybe hit the pool to cool you off just a little bit. Wood River Valley forecast, we're in the 80s, pretty warm for you. Sunny skies, Western Magic Valley again, mid-90s. It is going to be a hot one, plenty of that sunshine to go around. Twin Falls, 95 degrees, our high temperature, so again, hot. Remember to stay hydrated as well. Minnecaja region also temperatures in the 90s. Now, continuing things on into this evening, if you have any evening plans, going to hang on to the 90s, 7 o'clock, but then dropping through the 80s into the 70s later on this evening. Not bad for this evening, 11 o'clock, 76 degrees. Tomorrow, going to be a little bit cooler, a little bit of a break from the heat. Temperatures in the 80s, but then here we go again on Wednesday, back in the 90s, low to mid-90s across the area. So again, stay hydrated. If you want to get some yard work done, things are looking pretty good. At least we won't have any rain, but you may want to find some shade both today and as we head into our Wednesday, back in the 90s, lots of sunshine. If you want to mow the yard or do any yard work, tomorrow is actually your better day to do so. Now, here's a few heat safety tips you might want to keep in mind. Slow down. Definitely dress for summer. Watch what you eat and drink plenty of water. Stay out of direct sunlight and, if you can, be in air-conditioned places as well. So you might want to keep some of these heat safety tips in mind. Now, as we look at our future cast, no rain in sight. Things are going to remain pretty sunny for us. Maybe a few clouds around, particularly tonight, but that's really about it. Lots of sunshines in store as we wake up tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. Plenty of that sunshine to be had, and that trend will continue. Of course, Wednesday will be another hot one across the area with those temperatures in the 90s. So we look at that 7-day forecast, and again, 92 on Wednesday. Now, if you don't like the 80s and 90s, well, just wait till Friday and Saturday. How about a couple of days in the 70s? Maybe a few extra clouds over the weekend. A little bit breezy on Thursday as well, but that's really it for the valley locations. The Wood River Valley, a little bit of a different story, especially towards the end of the week. 70s on Thursday, breezy for you. Maybe a few isolated storms on Friday afternoon, and a few storms possible on Saturday and Sunday, but temperatures cooling back off into the 60s and 70s. So really, we just got to get a few days in of the heat, and again, go hit the pool today.
Absolutely. And if you do hit the pool, make sure to wear that sunscreen and stay hydrated.
Exactly.
All right. And if you can't make it up to the mountains, maybe you should do so.
Yes.
All right. Thanks, Ryan.
You bet.
Well, the sequel to Jurassic